Bath of Sincerely Bath and welcome back to my channel. So for this video, we are going to do a skincare video. We are going to try OMG Platinum Silver Facial Mask Kit from Double Dare PH x Sheena. So Sheena is the official distributor of Double Dare products here in the Philippines, to be specific, in Cebu. So if you want to check out how this works, make sure to watch until the end of this video. For the first step, we are going to use a detox bubbling mask. Detox and cleanse the skin with unique small bubbles that gently remove dead skin and any other buildup for a glowing complexion. Simply apply the mask on your skin with or without makeup and leave the mask for 1 to 3 minutes to allow the formula to bubble on the skin. After 3 minutes, make sure to rinse it off with water and pat dry. For the second step, we are going to use a silver peel-off mask. And for this one, we need to use a brush. Apply a thin, even layer of the mask all over your face and let the formula sit on the skin for 20 to 30 minutes to dry completely and peel it off. This is recommended to use with OMG Standing Mask Brush. All thanks to my OMG hairband for keeping my hair away from my face. And now is the time to peel it off. I'm so excited, look at that. For the third step, we are going to remove any mask residue using this specifically designed pad infused with a moisturizing serum for a smoother finish. So gently glide the pad all over your face to remove any leftover residue from your mask and to moisturize the thin skin. Voila, there you have it. My face right now feels so fresh and so moisturized. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell to be notified for any other videos. Bye bye!